Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this tutorial, we will not be creating anything or scripting anything. Instead, we will be I will be covering a solution for a very common issue in Unreal Engine. So, have you ever imported anything from Fab and turns out to be a combined mesh? Like for example, I just bought this pack of balls and it turns out they are not separated. It's only one mesh, as you can see, and which really pissed me off because that's not what I signed up for. However, luckily in Unreal Engine there is a way to separate them, and I will be showing it at this tutorial. So first, we need to drag the mesh into the scene. Then we need to click on it here and go to selection mode and go to modeling. Now, if you don't have it, you can go to plugin and look for modeling and enable this one. Okay, so once we've done this, we need to go to mesh over here and try select. Okay, then we need to select the ball we want to separate. So right now we have 9 balls. We need to do it 9 times separately, not together. So let's try by filling this. Make sure all of it is filled with red, like this. Okay, then we need to go to mesh edit here and click separate. Okay, and click accept. Now this ball is separate from the others. However, the transform of it, the pivot, is not right. It needs to be in the center. So we go to Xform and click on edit pivot and click center and click accept. Now the ball is separated. However, it is still within this mesh bounds. So it's not totally separated mesh. Okay, so to fix this, we can go to actor here and look for merge. Okay, and click merge actors. Okay, and we can just name it tennis ball. Okay, and there it is. The ball is now separated. Now if you check the collision, it says here use complex collision simple. We don't want that. Let's go to project default and add a sphere collision for it. That's it. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial, guys. Now you can do it for any mesh you want, and if you want to do it for all of this, you need to do it separately, each one. I will do it once again. Okay, separate, accept, get this one here, change the transfer edit pivot to center, actor, merge actor, and beach ball. That's it. That's the whole process, guys. It's that easy. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care.